on the last turn, we discussed the method of converting an infix expression into a postfix one. Okay, I told you that any expression which is in the form, this form is known as, which form we call this? I told you in the last class. If the operands are written, operator is written in between the operands, then what type of expression this is called? We call it an infix expression. Fine? And two, this one, if I write AB plus, then what is this notation called? But I can see Soumyadeep is giving postfix. Fine. And plus AB is prefix. Fine. So now I told you in the last class how we can convert an infix expression to its equivalent postfix form. One method I discussed earlier was fully parenthesizing the expression, and in the second class I discussed how we can use an algorithm to convert an infix expression into the postfix one. Now today another kind of questions we are going to take, and this question is, if any expression is given in postfix form, then how we can evaluate what will be the value of that expression. Okay, so let us take an example. See, say this is the expression. Can you tell me the result of this expression? This is multiplication and this arrow is exponentiation or power. Can you calculate the result?
10.
10. So you can see this will be 11 minus 9 divided by 9. Can you write this expression into postfix form? I have to convert this expression in postfix form. Using parenthesis you can do it. And let me know the answer. क्या होगा? किसी ने निकाला आंसर?
5 6
5 6
plus 3
3
into
3
2 power divide minus.
Do you all agree with this? Or do you want to?
Yes, sir, सही है.
This how this happened?
सही यही आ रहा है.
यही आ रहा है. Okay, fine. किसी को जरूरत तो नहीं है कि मैं बताऊं इसको कि कैसे आ रहा है? Do you need an explanation? Okay, let's do it. चलिए, मैं बता देता हूँ for those who are not able to understand how we converted this expression into postfix one. Again, which operation will be performed first? According to our priority of operators, brackets are solved first. So 5 plus 6 will be solved first, and as it is already written in brackets, it's okay. Then what is left? Minus, multiply, divide and power. We have 4 operators: subtraction, multiplication, division and exponent. Now here, out of these 4 operators, I know that exponent has the highest power. मतलब exponent has the highest priority, I mean. तो 5 plus 6 ये है, उसके बाद this operation will be calculated first, 3 power 2. Fine. Now what is left? Division, multiplication and subtraction. And definitely subtraction has lower priority than multiplication and division. So subtraction will be calculated at last. But star and division. So out of this multiplication and division, because they are at same priority levels, multiply and divide. And as I told you, then when we have the operators of same priority levels in an expression, then we always go from left to right. So it means that 3 into 3 will be calculated first. And after that, division. So divide it. And after, the result of this whole expression will be subtracted from 5 plus 6. So minus will be there. And this is for minus. So in this way, I have fully parenthesized this expression by placing parentheses around the operators. Now for converting it into postfix form, you just bring these operators out of their corresponding brackets. So this bracket, this exponent will come out of this bracket. This division will come out here. This multiplication is for this one. This subtraction is for this bracket, and addition is here. Now you can see the rightmost arrow indicates what? Minus. So ये minus आपका आ गया. Then we move towards left, and this arrow indicates a division. So division ये आ गया. Then when we move, we encounter this exponent. Then 2, 3, star, 3, 3. 2, 3, star, 3, 3. Then here it comes plus 6, 5. So this is how. And this expression's result is 10. As we saw, as you told also, you yourself calculated the result of this expression is 10. So this is how we can convert this expression into postfix form. So postfix form mein this expression is written as 5, 6 plus 3, 3 into 3, 2 power divide minus. Now let me discuss a method for evaluating this expression using an algorithm. I mean to say, if you are given this expression in postfix form, then how you will calculate the result 10. Fine. So let's see. Here the expression written is 5. So I am placing commas between operands so that you can identify. Otherwise, you can say this is 56. Okay. So I am placing commas here to differentiate between the operands. 5, 6 plus 3, 3 star 3, 2 power divide and minus. This is our expression. Now the approach by which we are going to evaluate the result of this expression. So we will use the stack method. So I am just writing serial number, then element, then your action will come here, and stack status, and this is what we got result. Here is the result. Fine. So starting from left to right. Now stack status, for those who are unable to understand what this stack status means. As we discussed earlier that a stack is like this. An empty vessel open at only one end. Whatever we will give here will be a push operation, and if so, taking anything out of the stack is known as pop, and dropping something into the stack is known as a push operation. So initially what I am taking, initially my stack is empty. So I am just indicating by this hash that our stack has nothing at the very beginning. Now when we start, the first element, what is the first element? 5 is the first element, and 5 is an operator or an operand? Let me know.
Operand.
So in case of an operand, what you need to do, you have to take only one action, which is a push action. So you have to just push this element into our stack. So initially when our stack is empty and we pushed 5, then 5 comes here, only one element is there. So I am writing our stack is holding this 5. This is our status of stack. The result column will have nothing, because the result will be whatever we will display on the screen. So we have displayed nothing on the screen right now. Now we will move to the next second. What we have 6. 6 is again an operand. So what you need to do, you just push. So now what will happen? This 6 will be above 5. So our stack status will be, we have 5 and 6 here, and still the result is nothing. Now 3, we have a plus. Plus is an operator or an operand? Operator. So in case of an operator, you have to identify what type of operator this is. I mean to say whether it is a binary operator or an unary operator or a ternary operator. So you can see plus needs 2 operands to operate upon. So it is a binary operator. So whenever we encounter any binary operator, what we will do, we will just take 2 things out from the stack. So what 2 things will be taken out? तो first हमारा जो out होगा वो top वाला element होगा, which is 6. So what we did, we popped one element 6. So one element we have popped. What we need to, so what is the status now? Because we have popped out 6, what is left in the stack? 5 only. Then again pop the next one 5. So now our stack becomes empty. खाली हो गई stack, 5 भी निकाल दिया. And what you need to do now, you just have to push the result 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 yani this one. 5 plus 6 I have pushed, so our stack will have 11. Now the fourth step will be 3. 3 will just push, so our stack will have 11, 3. Fifth action 3 again, it will be a push again, so our stack will hold 11, 3, 3. Then sixth step, it comes and star. Again a binary operator which requires 2 operands. So take 2 operands out, and these 2 operands will be taken out, which are 3. So what remains here? 11, 3. And again pop 3. What remains? 11. And you just push 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and this is 11, 9. Now the seventh step will be 3. Again you will push, so it becomes 11, 9, 3. Then eighth step will be a 2. 2 means again you will push, it will be 11, 9, 3, 2. Then comes your exponent. So exponent is again a binary operator, it requires 2 operands. So what you need to do, just pop 2 things out, pop 2. What remains? 11 and 9. Then again pop 3. 11, 9, 3 remains. Now 11 and 9 remains. And you just need to push. Push now. 3 exponent 2. So it will be 11, 9 and 9. Now here it will be 11, 9 and 9. 11, 9 and 9. Now the 10th step, I have a division. Again a binary operator. So you just pop the first element from here, and what remains? 11, 9. Then again pop the topmost element. What remains? 11. Then push 9 divided 9. So 11, 1. Now at the last we have subtraction, again a binary operator. So you just pop 2 things out. 1 remains 11 here. Then pop 11. The stack becomes empty. And push 11 minus 1. And it will be 10. And at the very last, when we reach the end of this, you just have to pop the value which is in the stack, which is 10. The stack becomes empty and print it. So when we print, so the result will be 10. This print operation will give you the result 10 as only one element is left. Now let me know if this algorithm is clear to all of you. Whenever we have an operand, we have to just push it into the stack, and when we have an operator, then just check how many operands are needed. Just take those many operands out of the stack, perform that operation on those values and push the result into the stack again. And at the last, finally, what we have to do, whatever is in the stack, just pop it out and display the result. So in this way, this result 10 is evaluated here. Now is the method clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This one is simpler than the previous one in which we converted an infix expression into postfix. This one is an easier method. Rather than converting an infix into postfix expression. Yes.
आपके बाद जो पुश करना है वो किस ऑर्डर में करना है?
पुश इस ऑर्डर में करना है, जैसे बेटा देखो, you have popped 1 here, then you popped 11. तो हमेशा आपको ये करना है, ये वाला, फिर ये ऑपरेंड, फिर ये, तो ये 11, फिर ये ऑपरेंड, फिर ये ऊपर, हमेशा ये सीक्वेंस ध्यान में रखना है। जो बाद में ऑपरेंड आपने पॉप किया है उसको पहले लिखना है, फिर ऑपरेटर लिखना है, और फिर आपको जो पहले ऑपरेंड पॉप किया था उसको लिखना है। तो ये ऐसे ही लिखा है, देखो ये 3 पहले बाद में ऑप किया था, फिर तो 3, फिर ये 3 पावर। दैट क्लियर ना?
यस सर।
तो अभी आपको एक क्वेश्चन में दे देता हूं, एंड यू जस्ट ट्राई दिस, है ना? यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दीज 4, 10, 5 प्लस मल्टीप्लाई 15, 3 डिवाइड माइनस। दिस इज डिवीजन symbol. This was the 1, 2, true and false, or not, false or true. This is the second one. So here in the second question, these and, or, not, or, these are operators, and true, false, false, true, these are operands. And the priority of not and or is like this: not and or. This you have to convert it into postfix expression. ठीक है? इसको postfix में convert करना है, इसका result evaluate करना है,